In 2009, a mysterious figure or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto unleashed Bitcoin upon the world. A radical new idea, a digital currency, decentralized, operating outside the control of governments and financial institutions. The allure was immediate. Here was a chance to be part of something new, something disruptive, something that challenged the very fabric of our financial system. Early adopters, drawn to the potential for astronomical returns, rode the waves of Bitcoin's volatility. But like any revolution, participation comes at a cost. Bitcoin, unlike traditional assets, is a highly volatile beast. Its value can swing wildly, creating fortunes for some and crushing the dreams of others. This inherent risk is inextricably linked to its potential for reward. Understanding this delicate balance is crucial for anyone contemplating a foray into the world of Bitcoin. It's not for the faint of heart, but then again, the greatest rewards rarely are. This video is your guide to navigating this new frontier. We'll delve into the intricacies of Bitcoin, exploring its potential, its pitfalls, and everything in between. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Let's be clear, the allure of Bitcoin is undeniable. The stories are legendary, early adopters becoming overnight millionaires, their lives transformed by the exponential rise of this digital gold. And while past performance is no guarantee of future returns, the potential for astronomical gains is a siren song that draws in countless new investors every day. Imagine waking up one morning, checking your portfolio, and seeing gains that dwarf your wildest dreams. This, my friends, is the seductive power of Bitcoin. It's the embodiment of high risk, high reward, a digital roller coaster that can take you to unimaginable heights. But remember, every roller coaster has its ups and downs. The key is to approach Bitcoin with a clear head, understanding that while the potential for riches is real, it's not a guaranteed path. It requires careful research, calculated risk-taking, and a strong stomach for volatility. If you're up for the challenge, the rewards could be life-changing. From its humble beginnings, valued at a fraction of a penny, Bitcoin has charted a course unlike anything the financial world has ever seen. Its rise has been meteoric, marked by periods of explosive growth and gut-wrenching crashes. It's a roller coaster ride that would make even the most seasoned investor weak in the knees. But through it all, one thing is clear. Bitcoin has consistently defied expectations. It has weathered storms, shrugged off skepticism, and emerged stronger each time. This resilience is a testament to its underlying technology and the growing belief in its potential to disrupt the traditional financial system. We'll delve into the key moments that have shaped Bitcoin's history, examining the factors that have driven its growth and understanding the forces that have caused its volatility. This journey through Bitcoin's past will provide valuable insights as we navigate the uncharted waters of its future. For many, Bitcoin's volatility is a source of fear, a reason to stay away, but for the astute investor, it represents a unique opportunity. In this chaotic dance of price swings lies the potential for significant profits. It's not about buying and holding, it's about understanding the rhythm of the market, mastering the art of buying low and selling high. Day traders, those adrenaline junkies of the financial world, live for this kind of volatility. They thrive in the chaos, capitalizing on the smallest price fluctuations to generate impressive returns. They are the surfers of the Bitcoin world, riding the waves of volatility with skill and precision. But it's not just for the professionals. With the right knowledge and a disciplined approach, anyone can learn to navigate Bitcoin's volatility and potentially profit from it. Remember, fortune favors the bold, especially in the world of Bitcoin. Imagine a world where no single entity, no government or financial institution has control over your money. This is the promise of Bitcoin, a decentralized currency governed by a distributed network of computers operating outside the traditional systems of power. No more central banks manipulating interest rates, no more governments inflating their currencies, no more opaque financial institutions controlling the flow of your money. Bitcoin puts the power back in the hands of the people, giving them true ownership and control over their financial destinies. This decentralization is at the heart of Bitcoin's appeal. It's a radical departure from the centralized systems that have dominated finance for centuries. It's a vision of a more equitable and transparent financial future, one where power is distributed and financial freedom is within everyone's reach. Governments can no longer print their way out of debt, central banks can't manipulate interest rates to serve their own agendas, and financial institutions can't censor transactions or freeze accounts. Bitcoin operates independently of these traditional power structures, a beacon of freedom in an increasingly controlled world. This independence is particularly appealing in countries facing economic turmoil, where citizens have lost faith in their local currencies and are desperate for a safe haven for their wealth. Bitcoin offers a lifeline, a way to escape the shackles of a failing system and take control of their financial future. This is the true power of Bitcoin, its ability to empower individuals, to level the playing field, and to create a more equitable financial system for all. It's a currency for the people, by the people, free from the interference of those who would seek to control it. Bitcoin security is not enforced by armies or governments, but by a distributed network of computers, all working together to validate and record transactions on the blockchain. This immutable ledger, accessible to anyone, ensures transparency and prevents fraud. Imagine trying to hack into a system that is constantly being monitored and verified by millions of computers worldwide. That's the challenge facing anyone attempting to compromise Bitcoin's security. It's a near impossible task, making Bitcoin one of the most secure financial networks in existence. This robust security is essential for building trust and confidence in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Investors need to know that their assets are safe and transactions are secure. Bitcoin's decentralized and transparent nature, coupled with its advanced cryptographic security, provides that peace of mind. Central banks around the world are printing money at an alarming rate, devaluing fiat currencies and eroding purchasing power. Inflation is a silent thief, slowly but surely eating away at your savings. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply, offers a potential hedge against this insidious threat. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed infinitely by governments, Bitcoin has a finite supply capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity, combined with its growing adoption, creates upward pressure on its price, acting as a natural hedge against inflation. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, a scarce and valuable asset that holds its value over time. As fiat currencies continue to lose purchasing power, Bitcoin offers a store of value that can help protect your wealth from the ravages of inflation. Imagine a world where governments couldn't simply print more money, where the supply of a currency was finite, governed by unbreakable mathematical principles. This is the reality of Bitcoin, with its fixed supply capped at 21 million coins. No more, no less. This scarcity is a fundamental driver of Bitcoin's value proposition. As demand for Bitcoin continues to grow, while its supply remains constant, basic economics dictates that its price will appreciate. It's the immutable law of supply and demand at play. This predictable scarcity is in stark contrast to fiat currencies, which are constantly being devalued by inflationary monetary policies. Bitcoin, on the other hand, offers a haven of stability in an uncertain world, a digital asset with a predetermined supply that cannot be manipulated by governments or central banks. For centuries, gold has been treasured as a store of value, a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Bitcoin, with its scarcity, durability, and portability, is rapidly gaining recognition as a digital equivalent, a store of value for the digital age. Like gold, Bitcoin is scarce, durable, and easily divisible. It can be stored securely offline, transported across borders with ease, and used as collateral for loans. These characteristics make it an attractive alternative to traditional assets like gold, especially for a generation comfortable operating in the digital realm. As more and more people recognize Bitcoin's potential as a store of value, its demand is likely to increase, further driving up its price. This is the virtuous cycle of Bitcoin, a self-reinforcing loop of adoption and appreciation. Imagine a world where you didn't need a bank account to access financial services, where you could send and receive money instantly, anywhere in the world, with minimal fees. This is the promise of Bitcoin, a truly global currency, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. No more exorbitant remittance fees, no more bureaucratic hurdles, no more financial exclusion. Bitcoin empowers individuals, regardless of their location or economic status, to participate in the global economy on a level playing field. This accessibility is particularly transformative for the billions of people around the world who are unbanked or underbanked. For them, Bitcoin is more than just an investment. It's a gateway to financial inclusion, a tool for economic empowerment. Traditional financial systems have long excluded billions of people around the world, denying them access to basic financial services. Bitcoin, with its decentralized and permissionless nature, has the potential to change that, to empower the unbanked and underserved populations of the world. Imagine being able to send remittances to your family in another country without paying exorbitant fees, or starting a business without needing approval from a bank. Bitcoin makes these dreams a reality, providing a pathway to financial inclusion for those who have been left behind by the traditional system. This is the true power of Bitcoin, its ability to democratize finance, to give everyone, regardless of their background, the opportunity to participate in the global economy. It's a financial revolution that is just getting started. Sending money across borders has long been a slow, expensive, and bureaucratic process, riddled with hidden fees and delays. Bitcoin offers a refreshing alternative, enabling fast, secure, and low-cost international transactions. Imagine sending money to your family overseas with just a few clicks on your phone, knowing that it will arrive within minutes, with minimal fees deducted. That's the power of Bitcoin, its ability to streamline cross-border transactions and make them accessible to everyone. This has profound implications for migrant workers who send billions of dollars in remittances to their families each year. Bitcoin can help them keep more of their hard-earned money, reducing their reliance on expensive money transfer services and empowering them to support their loved ones back home. Liquidity, the ease with which an asset can be bought or sold without affecting its price, is crucial for any functioning market. Bitcoin, with its global network of exchanges and trading platforms, boasts high liquidity, making it easy to buy or sell large amounts without causing significant price fluctuations. This high liquidity is a testament to Bitcoin's growing adoption and the increasing demand for the digital currency. It ensures that traders can enter and exit positions quickly and efficiently, facilitating a more dynamic and robust market. For investors, high liquidity provides peace of mind, knowing that they can easily buy or sell their Bitcoin holdings whenever they need to, without having to worry about finding a counterparty or experiencing significant slippage. The Bitcoin market never sleeps. Unlike traditional stock markets, which operate on limited hours, Bitcoin exchanges are open 24/7, 365 days a year. This constant trading action creates a dynamic and exciting environment for investors and traders alike. Imagine being able to buy or sell Bitcoin at any time of day or night, regardless of your location. This 24/7 accessibility is a game changer, allowing investors to react to news events and market movements in real time. This non-stop trading activity also contributes to Bitcoin's price volatility, as even small news events or market sentiment shifts can have an amplified impact on its price. It's a double-edged sword, creating both opportunities and risks for those who dare to trade in this fast-paced market. The Bitcoin market is a global phenomenon, with traders and investors from all corners of the world participating around the clock. This continuous trading activity creates a dynamic and exciting environment, where opportunities can arise at any moment. Imagine being able to react to breaking news or market movements in real time, regardless of the time of day or your location. This 24/7 accessibility is a game changer, allowing you to seize opportunities as they arise, maximizing your potential for profit. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, the Bitcoin market is always open for business. This constant accessibility makes it an ideal investment for those who can't always be glued to their screens during traditional market hours. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing, and Bitcoin, with its unique characteristics, can be a valuable addition to a well-balanced portfolio. Imagine holding an asset that is uncorrelated with traditional markets, one that can potentially provide returns even when stocks and bonds are struggling. Bitcoin's low correlation with other asset classes makes it an effective hedge against market volatility. By adding a small allocation of Bitcoin to your portfolio, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You're diversifying your risk and potentially enhancing your overall returns. Remember, diversification is key to mitigating risk and achieving long-term financial success. When traditional markets tumble, Bitcoin often dances to the beat of its own drum. Its low correlation with other asset classes makes it a valuable hedge against market volatility, potentially providing a cushion during economic downturns. Imagine holding an asset that can weather the storm when stocks and bonds are taking a nosedive. Bitcoin's independence from traditional markets can offer a sense of security during times of economic uncertainty. While past performance is not indicative of future results, Bitcoin's historical resilience during periods of market turmoil suggests that it can act as a safe haven asset, potentially preserving capital when other investments are struggling. Bitcoin is not just another investment, it's an entirely new asset class, one that operates outside the confines of traditional finance. It's a digital revolution, a paradigm shift in how we think about money and value. Imagine investing in an asset that is not controlled by governments or financial institutions, one that operates on a decentralized network, governed by mathematical principles. Bitcoin's unique characteristics make it a compelling alternative to traditional investments. As the world becomes increasingly digital, Bitcoin's relevance is only going to grow. It's an asset for the future, one that is well-positioned to capitalize on the ongoing shift towards a more decentralized and digital economy. Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface lies a revolutionary technology called blockchain, with the potential to transform industries far beyond finance. Imagine a world where supply chains are transparent, where data is secure and tamper-proof, where contracts are executed automatically. Blockchain, the technology underpinning Bitcoin, is making these visions a reality. From healthcare to supply chain management, from voting systems to digital identity, blockchain is being explored as a solution to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Investing in Bitcoin is not just about betting on a digital currency. It's about supporting the development of a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the world. From major corporations like Tesla and PayPal to institutional investors like Grayscale and MicroStrategy, Bitcoin is gaining mainstream acceptance at an unprecedented rate. The future is here, and it's digital. Imagine a world where you can buy your morning coffee with Bitcoin, book a flight, or even buy a Tesla. As more and more businesses and institutions adopt Bitcoin, its utility and value are only going to increase. This growing adoption is a clear indication that Bitcoin is here to stay. It's no longer a fringe technology, it's a mainstream asset, a global phenomenon that is transforming the financial landscape as we know it. As we've explored, Bitcoin offers a world of possibilities, from potentially life-changing returns to revolutionizing the financial system. But it's not without its risks. The volatility is real, the technology is complex, and the future is uncertain. But that's the nature of any revolution. It requires courage, a willingness to embrace the unknown, and the understanding that great rewards often come with great risks. The key is to educate yourself, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The future of finance is being written right now, and you have the opportunity to be a part of it. Will you seize the opportunity, or will you watch from the sidelines? The choice, as always, is yours.